Hello everyone, my name is Arvind, legal intern in Lexus and Company for the month of June. So for today, the second topic in which I am going to speak is about capital punishment. So let us understand what actually is capital punishment. Capital punishment is also known as death penalty, execution of an offender sentenced to death after conviction of a criminal offense by a court of law. Indian criminal justice system is one of the important part of capital punishment. So now let us understand the position of capital punishment in India. India opposed a UN resolution calling for a moratorium on the death penalty because it goes against the Indian statutory legislation as well as against each country's sovereign right to establish its own legal system. In India, it is awarded for most serious of crimes. It is awarded for heinous and grievous crime. Article 21 says that no person shall be deprived of right to life, which is promised to every citizen of the country. In India, various offences such as criminal conspiracy, murder, war against the government, abatement, dacoity with murder, and anti-terrorism are punishable with death sentence under Indian Penal Code. The President has the power to grant mercy. This was came in the case of Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. It is a landmark case. In this case, the court held that capital punishment will be only given in rarest of the rare cases. So only the president has the power to confer mercy in cases related to death sentence. Once a convict has been sentenced to death in a case by the session court, it must be confirmed by the High Court. If the appeal to the Supreme Court made by the convict fails, then he may submit a mercy petition to the President of India. Detailed instruction on the procedure are to be followed by state to deal with petitions for mercy from or on behalf of death sentence convicts. Appeal to the Supreme Court and request for special leave to appeal to that court by such convicts shall be set out by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Under Article 72 of the Constitution of India, the President has the power to grant pardon, respite or remission of punishment, or to suspend, remit, or reduce the sentence of any person who has been convicted of the offense. Now let us see what are the execution method followed in India. There are basically two types of method that are followed. The first one is hanging. All the death penalties in India are carried out by hanging. After independence, Godse was the first person to executed in India by death penalty in case of Mahatma Gandhi. The other one is shooting. Under the 1950 Army Act, both hanging and shooting are listed in the military code material system as official method of execution. Now let us understand on what grounds death penalty are given. So the first is aggraved murder. It is punishable by death in accordance with section 302 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. In Bachchan Singh vs. State of Punjab, the Court of India held that the death penalty is constitutional only when applied as an exceptional penalty in the rarest of the rare, as we talked before. The second thing when it is applicable is other offense resulting in death. In the Indian Penal Code, the death penalty is given to a person who commits murder during an armed robbery. The abduction of the victim for the money is punishable with the death penalty if the victim is killed. Organized crime involvement, if it lead to death, is punishable by death. Committing or helping to commit sati to another person is also punishable by death penalty. The third is terrorism related offense not resulting in death. Mohammad Afzal was executed by hanging on 9th February 2013. He was executed of the December 2001 attack of India's parliament, in which 9 people got killed by 5 gunmen armed with guns and explosive. The other category is rape not resulting in death. A person who inflicts injury in a sexual assault which result in death or is left in a precedent vegetative state may be punished with death under Criminal Law Act of 2013. So if we come to the conclusion, there are various heinous crimes which are being punishable by which are punishable with capital punishment.